Hi! Welcome back to our coding lessons. Today, we're going to learn about dictionaries in Python. Are you ready? Let's get started. A dictionary is a collection of key-value pairs. We can create a dictionary in Python by enclosing key-value pairs inside curly brackets, separated by commas. Let's take a look at an example. Here, we've created a dictionary of fruit prices. The keys are the names of the fruits, and the values are their prices. We can access each value in the dictionary by its key. To access a value in a dictionary, we use its key inside square brackets after the dictionary name. Let's see an example. Here, we've accessed the value of the key apple in the dictionary fruit_prices. The code will print the value 0.75. We can add or remove items from a dictionary using certain methods. To add an item, we use the key value assignment operator. To remove an item, we use the del keyword. Let's take a look. Here, we've added the item of banana with a value of 1.25 to the dictionary fruit_prices using the key value assignment operator. Then, we've removed the item orange using the del keyword. Finally, we can use loops with dictionaries to repeat code for each key-value pair in the dictionary. Let's see an example. Here, we've used a for loop to print each key-value pair in the dictionary fruit_prices. The code inside the loop prints each key and its corresponding value. And that's it. You've learned how to create and manipulate dictionaries, access dictionary items by key, add and remove dictionary items, and use loops with dictionaries in Python. Keep practicing and exploring new things. Programming is awesome. Thanks for watching. See you in the next lesson.